Alright, from where I'm sitting at this airport right now, I can see from the M Casino all the way past the strip. You got this, see Stratosphere in there back there, but it seems like I'm recording with a fucking potato. But while y'all sitting in parking lots or dealing with crowds, 11:59 right now. Anyways, best eating out. Let me shut these lights off here. There's Las Vegas New Year's fireworks. Woohoo! Happy New Year's! 2016 supposed to bring on new things, big changes. I'm still sitting in this fucking patrol car. Ooh. That's definitely over in North Las Vegas and Anderson. I feel kind of bad for let's see if that's going to show up. That's right on the other side of my airport. I thought it was a DUI checkpoint or something, but as I came closer to this end of the airport, I seen that it's actually in a community over there, so hopefully everything's alright for whatever's going on over there. Not a good way to start the year. Oh, look at that one. It looks like the strip's on fire. Wonder if Chanel West Coast is down there somewhere. Freaking cutie. Alright, well, that's enough. I think you all seen fireworks before, but from your boy JoJo down here in Las Vegas, Happy New Year to everybody. Hope it brings big changes, good things. Until next year.